we will be discussing the most current guidelines, such as mask mandates and LAUSD mandates. It's important to know that guidelines are continuously changing as COVID rates of change. Added resources become available and new research comes out. We will first discuss the most current guidelines, such as mask mandates and LAUSD or LA Unified School District mandates for children. As of March 16th, 2022, masks are no longer required indoors except a few exceptions. The places you are required to wear a mask, regardless of the mandate, are public transit stations, terminals and airports, healthcare, emergency shelters, jails and prisons, homeless shelters, and long care facilities. Masks are still strongly recommended in indoor public settings, K-12 schools, and childhood facilities. Specifically for LA Unified School District, their mask mandate was lifted on March 23, 2022. However, masks will still be required for staff and students in early education centers and other early learner programs. Even though masks would not be required, LAUSD still must continue to offer KN95 or N95 masks to any employee who requests them. And they must also provide take-home COVID masks to all students and staff for baseline testing prior to the beginning of 2022 spring break, which is April 11th to 15th. Getting tested for COVID-19 is still important because if you are fully vaccinated, you may potentially transmit it to others, especially to those who are vulnerable to the coronavirus, such as children who are not yet eligible for a vaccine or immunocompromised. If you get tested or receive a positive result, you can let those who you've been in close contact know so they can also get tested and take preventive measures. And if some of you who are not familiar with how the home kit looks like, this is an example of how the box looks like. And in the box, you would usually find a test card or a test kit, swab, and then a test solution where you will be putting it into your test kits. And then each test is different, so you must follow the paper that is inside that has all the instructions.